Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can keep your Instagram likes private. So if you want to hide the likes that you've made on others' Instagram posts or reels because you don't want anyone to find out the content that you like, you can follow the steps right here that I'm about to tell you. So here you can just start by opening the Instagram apps on your phone. Okay, after the app is open, you can now just go to your profile, click on the photo, click on your photo at the bottom right corner, and then you can tap on the hamburger menu at the top, the hamburger icon, the three lines icon at the top right corner, this one, and you'll be directed to the settings and activity page. So what you need to do in here is just scroll down until you find the who can see your content section, and at the very bottom you can see the likes you've made option. So just tap on that, and this is the like view mode, so you can adjust who can see when you like other people's posts and reels. Here there are four options that you can choose. The first one is allow everyone to see likes, so even if someone is not following you or you don't follow each other, they can see if you are like a certain contents. And the second one is allow people you follow to see likes, so only your following can see the like you've made. For the current settings on my Instagram is currently this ones right here. And the second one is allow close friends to see likes, so you can also set it to so that only your close friends on Instagram can see the like you've made. And the last one is don't allow anyone to see likes. So if you want to keep your Instagram likes private, you can choose the last ones in here, this one. But then you can see at the bottom the previous and new likes you've made on post and reel will always be visible to you and the account that share the content. So if you like a certain content or your friends content, they can see that you like their content because they are the owner of the content. So that's all for me. That's how you can keep your Instagram likes private or hide likes on Instagram or other Instagram posts and reels. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, leave a comment and also click on the thanks button below. And also to support us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.